My mother-in-law hates me because of my name. The first time I met my mother-in-law, she smiled until I introduced myself. Her expression shifted instantly like I just insulted her. That's an interesting name, she said, her tone dripping with disgust. At first I brushed it off, but every family gathering, she refused to say my name. She called me dear, her, or nothing at all. One time I overheard her on the phone with my husband. I can't believe you married someone with that name. It sounds cheap. That was my breaking point. I confronted her. Why do you hate my name so much? She scoffed. It's just not respectable. It sounds low class. My husband immediately defended me, but she rolled her eyes and muttered, people judge names, you know. It says a lot about a person. Then, during a family dinner, she took it further. In front of everyone, she sighed dramatically and sneered, I still can't believe anyone would name their daughter that. Silence. Forks clattered onto plates. Then my father-in-law, without looking up, said, you do remember that was your mother's name, right? Her face turned a sickly shade of white. Her mouth opened, then shut. Everyone stared. The tension was suffocating. She mumbled something and abruptly excused herself. She hasn't mentioned my name since.